Hello! Welcome to my channel, Lucifer. Code with ease. Today's topic is border gradient. Let's start with the HTML code. Let me select HTML language. This is the basic code for the HTML web page. Create a division with a container class name. Add a division with class name box. In that tag, add span with desired text. This is it for the HTML code. Now let's run the code. This is it for the HTML code. Just select the CSS option and start adding style sheet. Now add a variable in the root selector. Make a variable named color dance with 3 shades. Now add styling to all. Give it a font family of. Now add the box sizing of the border box. Add moz. Now add the box sizing of the border box. Add margin 0 pixels. Now add styling to HTML tag. Now add padding of 50 pixels and add a black background color. Add white color. Let's start with body. Then add position absolute and top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. This will arrange every component in the center of the body. Now let's start styling the container class. Now add background linear gradient to right of a variable of color dance. Add the width of 630 pixels and height 210 pixels. And add border radius of 10 pixels. Add relative position. Set Z indexed 720. Add animation of color lines, 2 seconds. Linear with infinite. Now let's start styling the container class with class box and a container class with span tag. Then add position absolute and top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. This will arrange every component in the center of the body. Now let's start styling the container class with class box. Set Z indexed 1 and add a black background color. Add the width of 600 pixels and height 180 pixels and add border radius of 10 pixels. Give it a flex display. And now justify content in the center. And now align items in the center. Align the text in the center. Now add padding of 5 pixels. Now let's style span tag. And font size of 120 pixel. Now let's start styling the container class with span tag. Add width and height of 100%. Now add background inherit and add border radius of 10 pixels. Now let's start styling the container class with span tag with nth child 1. Add filter of blur of 2 pixels. Now let's start styling the container class with span tag with nth child 2. Add filter of blur of 5 pixels. Now create the animation with color lines. On 100%. Add filter of hue rotate 360 degrees. This is it for the CSS code. Now let's start with CSS code. Now let's run the code. Now you can see changes occurred because of styling. This is the end product of the whole code. Enjoy the code. Do share this video with your friends. Check this out.